Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Now in this one we are going to be talking about my favorite coin, that is Solana, because previously Solana has been pumping really well and I think it is due time when I make another video on it, because as you already know I have been into Solana for a long period of time and I think I have a pretty great understanding of what Solana is about to do next. By the way guys, if you haven't already, make sure to drop a like on this video and also subscribe, because that really motivates me to make more videos just like this one. And thanks a lot for all the support on my recent videos. So guys, first of all, if we check out the price of Solana, you can see it is down by roughly 0.5% or say 2.5% in the last 24 hours. Its market cap is roughly now about $6 billion, which is absolutely insane. The 24-hour trading volume also looks pretty decent, as compared to the market cap. The 24-hour trading volume is not that bad. Now guys, if we take over and have a look at the charts, you will be able to see that we had a little bit of relief rally, or say a little bit of pump. To be exact, in the last 14 days, Solana has been pumping and it has pumped almost 50%. So that is a really good pump, and I had mentioned this coin on my channel previously as well, as you can see 5 days ago, 8 days ago. So I have been mentioning Solana for like some time now, and it is due time, when this coin pumps, because whichever coin I mention on the channel, historically saying, it almost pumps. Just kidding guys, all of my information which I'm providing you all is not financial advice. It's merely, the market is playing right and everything is playing right for a lot of projects out there. Anyways guys, so that is gonna be pretty much it from this chart. To be honest, we can take a look over to its all-time highs once again. We already know it is down by a lot from its all-time highs. Now the majority of this was because of the FTX scam, but it is what it is, and it is still down by 94%. However, the early investors are still enjoying a decent amount of gain on their investment. Now me personally, I have been investing about 10 to 20 Solana every single week in my portfolio, and I think it is a pretty decent amount. And it is not like going all over the top, just dumping all of my money into one coin, and it is not, investing at all into this massive project which I really believe in. Now guys, first of all, let me bring you over to their website and tell you all why I believe Solana is still gonna be one of the biggest projects in the crypto space. So guys, first of all, as you can see, they have been powering tools and integrations from companies around the world. Now guys, which of these companies are they making these powerful tools and integrations for? Well, Discord, Google, Magic Eden, Meta, Stripe, Cephon. Now guys, if you don't know Google, I think you're probably living under the rock or something like that. If you don't know Discord, it is one of the biggest platforms for chatting for gamers, and now for all the crypto YouTubers and for the NFTs servers like that. Magic Eden is one of the biggest. It is actually the second biggest NFT platform in the world. It is now also for Ethereum, so that is really good. Meta, I'm sure everybody knows, because this is Facebook and Instagram combined. Now Stripe is something which all the if you have ever started a business and wanted to accept payments, Stripe is the way to go, and it is the best out there. Now guys, if we scroll down right over here, we can check some of the stats of Solana. We can see that it has over 11.5 million active accounts, which is absolutely insane. About 22 million NFTs have been minted on Solana, which is absolutely crazy. And the transaction cost, or say the average cost per transaction, is almost zero, because I think it will take you a full lifetime to even get to $1 for the cost of transactions, which is pretty insane. Now guys, if we scale down, you scroll down, not scale down, I mean, yeah, you can check some of the specifics, or say some of the features of Solana and how it is made for mass adoption. Now guys, this all data is live, so it is being updated constantly. As you can see, Solana network is pretty fast, about 3,700 to 3,800 transactions every second, which is absolutely good. 2,047 validator nodes is also really good, strengthening the network. it is energy efficient, because it is, one of those projects which like to go in that direction also. So 0% carbon net impact, I really like that. And as you can see, it is pretty much scalable because the total transactions keep on increasing and increasing and increasing. If you check out my previous videos, I'm sure we were at like about 129 million, or say 129 billion transactions, but right now we are at 132, and this number keeps on increasing because people are constantly, using Solana for a lot of transactions, which is really really good for the project. Now guys, as you all recall, I had mentioned Magic Edens, and let me take you in depth about about what is basically happening inside the Solana ecosystem. So guys, Magic Edens is one of the platforms which was responsible for a lot of growth in the Solana space. And a lot of people came to know about Solana because of Magic Edens, because this was one of the biggest, actually it is still one of the biggest NFT exchanges out there. So guys, the 24-hour volume of just Magic Edens themselves is about 350,000 Solana. Now guys, that is absolutely amazing. And if we pull out my calculator real quick, and we do the math real quick, let me do that math. So 350,000 multiplied by $16, that is about 5.6 million worth of NFT transactions in the last 24 hours on Magic Edens. Now OpenSea is also doing this, and a lot of other exchanges as well. But 5.6 billion from just this website alone means, tells you that Solana is something that has to be, taken into more consideration. Right over here you can check out the total volume, like all the volume which this platform has done till the starting. So there are some insane numbers, and I really believe in the overall space of Solana, because some of the most best developers are from Solana. They have been constantly building. I'm sure you guys know of DOGE. It is one of the biggest NFT projects out there. They even own their own basketball team, which is absolutely crazy. I'm a big fan of them. I made a video on their coin as well previously, dust, which is a coin which I'm again bullish on. But yeah guys, I mean, people are constantly building on Solana, and I don't really see any reason why Solana could be falling, even though FTX was one of its biggest holders, or you could say Alameda was one of its biggest holders. I still think that Solana still has ways to go, and in the next market rally, if it does everything right, and if it has a little bit of luck, I think this coin will be back to its almost all-time highs, and go even beyond them, because at some point when it was at about $100, if we take a look over to the max starts, like somewhere around here, people were constantly saying that this coin is going to be going to $500, $1,000 very easily. Now the only thing that has changed from since then is the price, which has fallen by roughly 80% from that. And the second thing is that one of the major investors, Alameda, is now bankrupt. Now that 80% drop can be recovered, but the Alameda thing can't be recovered. So it is a challenge for the Solana space to recover and see how. And it is good to see, because I really want to see how Solana is going to be battling this out, because when it does, I think that Solana coin, or say Solana project, is going to be used for mass transactions, and this coin is going to be pumping insanely, and giving you some insane and life-changing gains which could make you wealthy for the lifetime. And yeah guys, that is gonna be pretty much it from this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to drop a like on this video, subscribe, and join the free Discord. The link will be down in the description. Also guys, as you can see, I have changed the style of my thumbnails a bit. I think they look better from before, a little bit of the modern style. But let me know if you like them or not, and I will keep on updating them and see how it works, because YouTube is like a trial and test method. So I really want to try it all and see what works for me and what doesn't, because I think these look much crazier than these. But I might be wrong, because some of my most popular videos came from these type of thumbnails. So yeah guys, catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.